Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 6, the triangle and its properties, in previous class we learnt about the exterior angle property of a triangle. In a triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Coming to angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle says that the sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Let us prove the sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So draw a triangle and name its angles as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Extend this side to get a straight angle at this vertex and get a cutout of this triangle. Now separate the angles and arrange them at this vertex adjacent to each other. We see that at this vertex, these three angles together form a straight angle. And we know that the measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. So the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. And these three angles are the angles of this triangle. So the sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. This is a cutout of a triangle and the angles are angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Get an altitude of the triangle from this vertex. And we know that the altitude is perpendicular to the base. So this angle is of 90 degrees. This angle is also of 90 degrees. Together it is a straight angle. Now fold this angle so that its vertex will be at the vertex of this straight angle. Now fold other two angles also in the similar way. See here, all the three angles together form a straight angle at this vertex. And we know that the measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. So the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. And these three angles are of the angles of triangle. So the sum of these three angles is also 180 degrees. And check it by exterior angle property also. We know that the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Here angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It is exterior angle. Now add in both sides angle 1. Angle 1 plus this angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to this angle 4 plus angle 1 we have added here. So to the right side also we have to add angle 1. Now these are the angles of the triangle and this is equal to angle 4 plus angle 1. But angle 4 and angle 1 together they form a linear pair. That means they are supplementary angles. Means the sum is 180 degrees. So angle 4 plus angle 1 is 180 degrees and this is equal to the sum of three angles of the triangle. So sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. We can use the angles formed by transversal also. So here draw this triangle ABC, name its angle as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and draw this line XY parallel to the side BC passing through vertex A. Name this angle 4 and this angle 5. Now see XY is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. So angle 1 and angle 4 they are alternate interior angles and because these two lines are parallel, these alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 4. In the same way this is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. So angle 2 and angle 5 they are alternate interior angles. They are also equal. Now add these two sides, angle 1 plus angle 2 and here right hand side angle 4 plus angle 5. Now in both sides add angle 3 here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 and here angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 3. But see here angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 together they form a straight angle and the measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. That's why the sum of these three angles of the triangle is also 180 degrees. Coming to exercise 6.3. Question 1. Find the value of unknown angles. Here in this triangle, the measures of these two angles are given and we have to find out the measure of unknown angle x. And we know that by angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of these three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Now let us find out the measure of angle x. Angle x plus 50 plus 60 degrees, 110 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now transpose it to right hand side and subtract from 180. Angle x equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees equal to 70 degrees. So the measure of angle x is equal to 70 degrees. Second, in this triangle, the measure of this angle is given 30 degrees. This is the sine of 90 degrees and we have to find out the measure of angle x. We know by angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. Now let us find out the measure of angle x. So angle x plus 90 degrees plus 30 degrees, 120 degrees equal to 180 degrees. We have to find out angle x. So transpose 120 to right hand side and subtract. Subtract 120 degrees from 180 degrees, will get 60 degrees. So the measure of angle x is equal to 60 degrees here. Third, in this triangle, the measures of these two angles are given and we have to find out the measure of x. By angle sum property of triangle, the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us find out the measure of x. So x plus 30 degrees plus 110 degrees, 140 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Transpose 140 degrees to right hand side and subtract 140 degrees from 180 degrees. So x equal to, we get 40 degrees. Fourth, in this triangle, measure of one angle is given 50 degrees and other two angles are equal, x. And we have to find out the measure of these equal angles. By angle sum property of triangle, the sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. This is 1x plus 1x. 1x plus 1x is 2x. So this is 2x plus 50 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now this is variable part. Transpose 50 to right hand side. Keep 2x on the variable part on the left side. 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, 2x equal to, we get 130 degrees. Now we don't want to divide both sides by 2. So here we will get x and 130 divided by 2 is 65 degrees. So measure of x is equal to 65 degrees. 5. In this triangle, measure of all the three angles is equal, x, and we have to find out the value of x. So sum of these three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees by angle sum property of triangle. This is 1x, 1x, 1x. So we get here 3x. 3x equal to 180 degrees. We don't want 3, so divide both sides by 3. 180 degrees divided by 3. 3 will cancel. X equal to, this is 60 degrees. So measure of x is equal to 60 degrees. In this triangle, this angle is given 90 degrees and the measures of these two unknown angles we have to find out. By angle sum property of a triangle, sum of these three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. X plus 2x plus 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now add these two. 1x plus 2x total is 3x. So this is 3x plus 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now this is variable part. Transpose 90 to right hand side. So 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. 3x equal to 90 degrees. Now we don't want this 3. Divide both sides by 3. So here we will get x. This 3 will cancel and on right hand side 90 divided by 3 is 30 degrees. So x we get 30 degrees. This angle. Now 2x. 2x means 2 times x. And the measure of x is 30 degrees. So 2x is equal to 60 degrees. Coming to question 2. Find the values of unknowns x and y. In this triangle, one interior angle is given 50 degrees and one exterior angle is given 120 degrees. And we know that by exterior angle property of the triangle, exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So to find the value of x, we can use exterior angle property. Subtract 50 degrees from 120 degrees, we will get value of x. And to get the value of y, we will use linear pair. These two angles form a linear pair, means they are supplementary. Sum is 180 degrees. So to get value of y, subtract 120 degrees from 180 degrees. We'll get value of y. So by exterior angle property of a triangle, x plus 50 degrees is 120 degrees. And to find the value of x, transpose 50 degrees to right hand side. So we'll get here 70 degrees. And to get y, we will use linear pair. Sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So to get the value of y, subtract 120 degrees from 180 degrees. So we'll get it 60 degrees. So x is equal to 70 degrees and y equal to 60 degrees. Second, in this triangle, one of the interior angles is given 50 degrees and we have to find out these two interior angles. And vertically opposite angle of y is given 80 degrees. We know that always the vertically opposite angles are equal. So measure of y is equal to 80 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. And to find the value of x, we will use angle sum property of triangle. Sum of these three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So x plus y is 80 degrees plus 50 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 80 plus 50 is 130. 130 degrees equal to 180 degrees. To find the value of x, transpose 130 degrees to right hand side and subtract. So we'll get here 50 degrees. The measure of x is 50 degrees and the measure of y is 80 degrees. Third, in this triangle, two interior angles are given and we have to find third interior angle and one exterior angle. So to find the exterior angle, we will use exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So x is equal to 60 degrees plus 50 degrees. So it is 110 degrees. Now to find out the value of y, we can use angle sum property of triangle. Sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. So subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degrees, we'll get the value of y. Or we can use linear pair. These two angles form a linear pair. So sum is 180 degrees. Subtract the value of x from 180 degrees, we'll get the value of y. So using linear pair is more easy here. So we'll use linear pair. Subtract 110 degrees value of x from 180 degrees. We'll get value of y and it is 70 degrees. So value of x is 110 degrees and value of y is 70 degrees. Fourth, in this triangle, one interior angle is given and we have to find out these two interior angles. And vertically opposite angle of x is given 60 degrees. And we know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So we get x equal to 60 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. And now to find the value of y, we will use angle sum property of triangle. By angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So here x plus y plus 30 degrees is 180 degrees. Now we know the value of x is 60 degrees. So y plus 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to 180 degrees. This sum is 90 degrees. Y plus 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Transpose 90 to right hand side. Y equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So we will get y equal to 90 degrees. 5. In this triangle, we have to find out all the three interior angles of the triangle. These two angles are given equal and the vertically opposite angle of y is given 90 degrees. We know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So the measure of y is 90 degrees. Now by angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. So x plus y is 180 degrees. Now 1x plus 1x, it is 2x. 2x plus y is 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Transpose this 90 to right hand side. 2x equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, equal to 90 degrees. Now we don't want this 2. To remove this 2, divide both sides by 2. So here 2 will cancel, we'll get x on left hand side, and 90 degrees divided by 2 is 45 degrees. So this x we get 45 degrees and y is 90 degrees. Sixth, in this triangle we have to find all the 3 interior angles of the triangle. Now see, vertically opposite angle of this interior angle is given x. So we can take this also x, because always vertically opposite angles are equal. Here also this vertically opposite angle we can take x, and a vertically opposite angle of y is given x. So they are also equal. Always the vertically opposite angles are equal. So y equal to x. And now by angle sum property of a triangle, sum of these 3 angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So x plus y equal to 180 degrees. Now for this y we can use x because they are equal. So x plus x equal to 180 degrees. This 1x plus 1x plus 1x equal to 3x. So 3x equal to 180 degrees. We don't want this 3. Divide both sides by 3. So 180 degrees by 3. This 3 will cancel. X equal to 3 1s and 3 60s 180. So we will get x equal to 60 degree. The measure of each angle of the triangle is 60 degrees.